Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to share with you all some of the updates that I've made to my Hotshot Trucking Business Plan template for 2024 using AI. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, what we'll do is we'll run through the little presentation showing you some of the updates that I've made. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and zip right through this. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate. I am also a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials, and tribulations of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to write the business plan for you. I'm also a business mentor as well as business consultant. So if you need some assistance in understanding your financials, creating financial models, creating or executing your strategic plans, again, just pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to assist in those areas as well. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor as well as subject matter expert for both business and finance. So if your business plan is good to go, however, those financial projections are just locking you up and you just can't get over that hill, again, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to assist on that area as well. All right, enough with this. Let's go ahead and zip through the little presentation. First update that I made to the Hotshot business plan template was I added a logo to the title page. And of course, I used AI to generate the logo, and it's a fire engine red with a sharp looking truck. And so what I did is I inserted the logo right smack in the middle of the title page. So up top, what we're reading is Hot Shot Trucking, and then underneath is the business plan. And of course, once you get this, once you buy the template, if you buy the template, you'll just go ahead and change out the Hot Shot Trucking with your company name, and then leave the logo or replace the logo with your logo, and then leave business plan underneath just to let the reader know that this is a business plan that they're looking at. Second update that I made was I updated the services provided section. Previously, I had a nice, short, 2 to 3 sentence summary of services provided that are typical to the hotshot trucking industry. And what I did is I plugged that information into ChatGPT, and out came a little bit more polished, updated, as well as succinct version of the services provided section. And I liked what I saw, so I included that into the template. Of course, you can go ahead and update this as you see fit. And the final update that I made was for the industry research. As we all know, if you're going to write a business plan, especially for the hotshot trucking industry, you want your information up to date. So I accessed my report from IBIS World, specifically the local freight trucking industry. I accessed their update, the most up-to-date information, and I went ahead and updated the industry research, specifically the revenues, the historical growth rate, projected growth rate, profits, wages, as well as businesses. So I update all that information in the business plan template. So now that's all ready to go for 2024. All right, so hopefully this information is going to be of service and benefit to y'all. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.